Hi friends, in this session we will going to do the statistical data analysis of your research in CRD design. In this design we consider 2 replications and 14 treatments. So we have this type of format in Excel. So we need the research data to do the analysis. Okay. For example, we have the sample data over here for the plant weight in grams. We need unit is very important. Okay, so this is our sample data. We need to copy the sample data. Okay, just copy it, come to our design, just click in first cell, right click, and just we should have to choose the values. Okay, you can see here the values, just paste here. Just you need to do this to do the your research data analysis. Okay, so this is 14 treatment design. You can write the name here, plant weight. Gram. Okay, you can write also the name here, plant weight gram. Just change the color. Okay, so you'll get here the plant weight in gram. Okay, we put it or pasted our original data which is obtained from our field to this design, and design will do everything automatically, so you don't need to do anything by your hand. You just need to copy paste the data in red color values. Design will do the treatment total, whatever it may be the treatment total. You will get the treatment total, you will get the GT. It's called GT, means grand total. Okay, then you will get the treatment average, simply you call it mean. Then you will get replication total, replication average, but in CRD design we don't consider the replications over here, and this design is a equal number of replication or equal number of observation, and also you can consider the equal number of plots. Okay, so in this design very important table is ANOVA table. You can see here the ANOVA table, you will get the source of variation. Okay, in the source of variation we have the 3 parameters only. First is the treatment as a source of variation, then error, then total. Here you will get the degrees of freedom. For treatment it's 13 because we consider the 14 treatments, so 14 minus 1 is equal to 13. Then n is the total number of observation. Okay, then error 14, n minus t, then n minus 1 is 27. Okay, so next column you will get the sum of square. We need to calculate the sum of square from these observations. If you want to calculate, you can use this formula, sum of square. Then if you want to see here the treatment total, then you take the sum of square of the treatment total, then divided by the count. You can divide it by with the help of the replications or number of plots per treatment, or just number of observation per treatment. You can divide it by with the help of this, and after that you need to minus the correction factor. that is the CF value from these values. Then you will get the sum of square. This is the calculation part. Just I will show you here. Okay, so you'll get the sum of square for the treatment, sum of square for the error, and total. Then mean sum of square, it's very simple. Mean sum of square is equal to sum of square divided by degrees of freedom. So if we want to obtain mean sum of square, then we need to consider this value divided by this degrees of freedom, and you will get the mean sum of square value. Then we need to calculate the F calculated value. You can see here that it's a simple F calculated value. We need to consider mean sum of square value divided by E degrees of value. It means EDF, mean sum of square. You can call it error EDF, or also you can call it residual. Okay, so you will get the F calculated, and next you will get the F table value in our ANOVA table. Then you can see here at 5% for agriculture research we consider the 5%, and if it's in lab then also we can consider the for the 1%. So I gave you in this ANOVA table, you will get for the 5% as well as the 1%, and you can see here the significance. In significance you will get two things. One is significant, another is non-significant. Okay, whether you selected you have the 14 treatments, whether these treatments are significant or non-significant. What is meant by the significant or non-significant? Non-significant, it means there is a no difference among the treatments, and significant means there is a difference among the treatments. Okay, and it's a minimum 2 treatment difference are there. Below that you will get the CV value. In CV value you can see here in this table you will get the CV value. In CV value you keep in mind one thing. If your research on field, then CV value should be less than 20%. Okay, and if your experiment in lab or control environment condition, okay, so CV should be less than 5%. Okay, then next you will get the CD value, and CD value for 5% as well as 1%. If your treatments are non-significant, then don't put the CD value in your thesis, just put NA. Okay, and you don't need to do the next post hoc analysis or CD comparison table. CD comparison analysis, it's a post hoc analysis technique, post hoc analysis. Okay, so you will get this in ANOVA table. Then you will get the final thesis table. Okay, you can see here, if you put the treatment name here, like any, you have the different protein varieties, you can put any name. For example, Tushar, we consider as variety name. Okay, this you will get here the Tushar automatically. Okay, just you need to put name here. Then you need to compile this table as per your need for the thesis. You will get the standard error plus minus here and CD value for 5%. Okay, and below that you will get the graphical data representation. You can put the your character name here. You just click on this, it's totally editable. Then you need to put the axis title here and axis title here. You can consider here the axis title as the treatments, okay, and axis title here as a plant weight, and also put the unit gram. Okay, and this is all about the CRD 2 replication and 14 treatment data analysis. If you want this type of sheet, it's a paid sheet available. You can just mail me. You can see here my mail address, or just WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, or you will get the my WhatsApp link in description box. So you go to the description box and just click on it and just contact me. It's a paid seat. If you want the paid seat, then we will provide it you. If you want only the analysis, that services also we will provided all the student in minimal rate. Okay, let's ask me on WhatsApp, then definitely I'll help. Thank you so much for watching.